Good morning everyone. In today's class of business studies, I will discuss demonetization. It is very important topic. Demonetization. It means in Hindi notbandi. Means money को रोकना. It's demonetization. So here it is written November 8, 2016. In our country, in year 2016, the date was 8 November. So on that date, it was the day when rupees 500 and 1000 demonetization or currency notes were withdrawn for circulation. It resulted in withdrawal of 86% currency in circulation. So in our country, on the date 8 November 2016, notes of 500 and 1000 were withdrawn from circulation. Okay. So what's the reason for that? People were advised to go to the bank to replace old note with new up to a limit. There was a restriction on cash withdrawal. So what is the aim of this? The main aim of demonetization is to curb or stop corruption. Yes, demonetization in our country was done by government just to stop corruption, also black money and check as use of notes for illegal activities. Just to check, are the notes not getting used for illegal activities? And especially the accumulation of black money generated by not declining income to income tax authorities. It means the money which was collected by illegal activities, that's called black money. Just to stop black money from circulation in country and also to stop corruption, demonetization was done, and by this demonetization, by this notes of 500 and 1000 were stopped from circulation in country. That's called demonetization. So the reason for that was to stop corruption and black money. So many people were forced just to tell the proper income to income tax authorities, just to pay legal tax. Next, what are the features of demonetization? These are as follows. Demonetization as a tax administration measures. Second, non-tolerance of tax evasion, tax administrating and mobilization of savings. Last, creating less cash or digital cash light. Yes, the last aim is the main aim or feature of demonetization, right? In our country, government wanted to have digital economy. Government wanted everyone to pay or receive money by digital transactions. So in our country, Mr. Narendra Modi had a campaign for Digital India. So the final aim and main feature of demonetization was to increase digital transactions in economy. And first, demonetization as a tax administration. First of all, demonetization helped for tax management. Tax administration means tax measurement. Measure means solution. Second, non-tolerance of tax evasion. Evasion means excuses. अब कोई बहाना नहीं कर सकता है. Nobody can hide his or her illegal income or black money. So everyone will have to pay tax properly. So non-tolerance of tax evasion will not be done. Means tax evasion will not be tolerated. Means for filling tax, any excuse will not be tolerated. Last, tax administrating and mobilization of savings. It means everyone will have to exchange money in bank, will have to deposit old money in bank and will have to take new money from bank. So in that way money will be mobilized. Mobilize means idhar se udhar jana. So by demonetization, there will be mobilization in our financial system, because हर कोई जाएगा बैंक में, एक्सचेंज करेगा मनी, ओल्ड नोट को एक्सचेंज करेगा, न्यू नोट्स को कैरी करेगा. इन दैट वे देयर विल बी ट्रांजेक्शंस देयर विल मोबिलाइजेशन ऑफ सेविंग. अब हर कोई सेव करके नहीं रखेगा. दे विल मोबिलाइज, दे विल मूव savings from here to there. So these were the features of demonetization. So today I have discussed the topic demonetization with features of demonetization. Thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in other video.